In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your username on TradingView. We'll walk through this process step by step, making sure you know exactly where to look and what to click. By the end of this guide, you'll be comfortable navigating your TradingView account to locate your username with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into TradingView. Whether you prefer using your computer or the mobile app, also open the TradingView website or app and enter your login credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up for one first. But for today's task, we're assuming you've already got that step covered. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you're looking for your profile icon. If you've uploaded a profile picture, you'll see that image. If not, the icon might be a simple silhouette or alternatively, three horizontal lines, which is often referred to as a hamburger menu icon. Now click on this profile icon or the menu icon. This action will bring up a pop-up menu, and here's where you'll find what we're looking for. Your username will be prominently displayed at the top of this menu. It's easy to spot, so even if you're not familiar with navigating menus, this should be very straightforward. But let's say you want a bit more detail about your account. In that case, you'll want to access your public profile. This step is optional, but if you're curious or just want to explore a bit more about your TradingView settings, here's what to do. In the same menu where you found your username, look for an option labeled Settings and Billings, or sometimes just Profile Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a page that provides more in-depth information about your account. On your public profile page, your username will once again be displayed, usually right at the top. This is handy if you're already exploring your settings and need quick confirmation of your username while tweaking other account settings. And there you have it. You've successfully located your TradingView username. Remember, whether you're checking via the quick menu option or perusing your public profile, these steps ensure you always know where to look. Navigating TradingView becomes second nature with a little practice. And now you're ready to handle your account details like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider sharing it with others who might benefit, and feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks. Happy trading, and until next time.